Welcome to Sign Faces, 86,000 square foot manufacturing facility located in Pelham, Alabama. Today we're going to take time to show you the manufacturing processes of forming Sabic Lexan polycarbonate sheet. The first step is to build a standard setup using either a 90-degree standard corner or radius corner. When design needs dictate, we build custom designs with our three-dimensional router. Sign Faces pre-drying ovens contain 20 rolls of Sabic Lexan polycarbonate plastic, both in clear and white material, dispensed with our automatic dispensing roll, ready for use immediately. Pre-dried Lexan polycarbonate sheet, one of the most recognizable brands in the sign industry, is pre-cut to size from our drying oven and taken to our forming table. The protective film is removed from both sides of the Sabic polycarbonate sheet. The plastic sheet is taken to the frame, placed in position, clamped, and then is blown to prevent any dust or debris from collecting during the forming operation so that no imperfections will occur in the face. The forming table is rolled into place and the Lexan sheet begins the heating process. Once the polycarbonate sheet reaches 360 degrees, the plastic is brought down to the setup and the vacuum is applied to form the Lexan face. The forming table is rolled out from under the elements, the cooling fans are turned on to set the face, and then the face is removed from the forming table and taken to our trimming operation. Tough, virtually unbreakable Lexan polycarbonate sheet, strength that doesn't quit. More and more customers are utilizing vinyl films and digital prints in their face decorations. Lexan polycarbonate has proven to be a good choice in utilizing thermoformed vinyl, first and second surface applications, along with post-applied vinyl and digital prints. Because of the greater demand for the thermoformed vinyl faces, we have custom built a 9x22 roll laminator just for the application of 8x20 one-piece faces. Sign Faces has been hand painting and decorating sign faces for over 20 years using a high-quality translucent sign face paint. Key parts of this process: the spray masking, the cutting, and the paint application. We not only make sign faces, we make steel tubing frame cabinets, aluminum extrusions, and custom shapes such as the 16-foot letter N. In addition to custom cabinets, Sign Faces also makes channel letters, face lit, reverse lit, welded, remote mounted, and raceway mounted. Sign Faces in Sabic Lexan polycarbonate sheet, a winning combination. Check us out at signfaces.com.